In this video, we'll show you how to turn on restricted mode on computers and phones. This can help hide videos with potentially mature content, but note that filters might not be 100% accurate. Now we'll show you how to enable this. On a computer, click your account icon at the top of the page. Now click Restricted Mode at the bottom of the menu. Click Activate Restricted Mode. On a mobile device, tap your account icon at the top of the screen. Now tap Settings. Tap the Restricted Mode toggle to turn it on if you're on iOS. For Android, you'll need to tap General to get to this. By the way, you can always go back to these settings in the future to enable or disable this. If you'd like to learn more about restricted mode, visit the Help Center article in this video's descriptions. And that's it! Subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks.